What's going on, guys? Uncle Phil here for another Sprint Booster install video. This week we're going to be installing a Sprint Booster V3 on a 2022 Subaru BRZ. Just like every other Sprint Booster install, the first thing you're going to start off with is you're going to take your key fob, you're going to walk about 20 feet away from the vehicle and leave the driver door open. That's going to allow your CAN bus system to reset. Next up, you're going to want to reach inside the driver footwell. You'll find a 5-pin connector located at the top of your gas pedal assembly. You're going to want to press down on it and pull up to remove the clip. You're going to put the Sprint Booster V3 unit in line in between the connector and the pedal assembly. Then you're going to grab your pedal selector switch and plug that into your Sprint Booster V3. At that point, you can now run the selector up to the dash and use the provided 3M adhesive to install the selector on any portion of the dash. While installing your selector switch, you're going to want to check on the side of the switch itself, and you will find a little toggle between manual and automatic. So if you've got a manual car, put it on the manual mode. If you've got an automatic, leave it on the automatic setting. Turn the vehicle back on. You're going to press the silver button to turn on the Sprint Booster. That'll take you into sport mode, which is the green light, and you'll have 9 variations to choose from there. At that point, you can press the silver button again. That'll take you into race mode, and you have 9 different selection modes there as well to choose from.
What's up, guys? I'm here with JRP, and we're testing out the new Sprint Booster for my 2022 Subaru BRZ. One of my main complaints for this was the throttle lag in the car, and this is the best and I think the most cost-efficient way of fixing it. So let's test it out and get into it. Oh yeah, you definitely feel a difference already. Just normal driving. The amount I have to touch the pedal for the speed that I'm getting is completely different than stock. This is Sport 9 at the moment, which is like really, really nice. Like, yeah. It's a lot more active. Like, yo, it actually makes a really good difference. Damn, I expected it to make a bit of a difference, but I was not expecting this right now. That was just a small 4th gear pull. But like even like the downshifting so much better. Like, I don't have to put as much foot into the gas pedal, if that makes any sense, to really blip it up like that. That is actually super, super nice. And then light accelerations and everything, and I would honestly, so far I'm actually really enjoying it. And you want to switch modes or keep it at 9?
Yeah, let's try green, see if you'd still notice the difference.
Okay, so this is green 9, so, it is, so green 9, which is, I guess, is comfort mode, you definitely feel less of a difference, but it's probably more ideal for street driving, just because, you know, you're not going to be revving the car out like crazy. But right now, let's see, especially when I was in first gear rolling up, that was, yeah, I feel a difference there. A lot of the times with the BRZ, especially if some of you BRZ guys are watching this right now, when you're trying to get out of first gear and you actually tap in the gas, you're blipping it up, nothing's really happening, so you really got to put your foot into the pedal. And even this at sport, or get on the highway right here?
Yeah, we just get off on here.
Oh, very cool.
If you want, we can put on red 9 and just so you can
give it a rip.
Highway pull, give it.
All right, so we're 2nd gear. We're gonna keep it in sport mode 9. Give ourselves a bit of a distance, just so we have. And let's give this thing a bit of a pull. Yo, that is absolutely awesome. I was dead honest, I was not expecting it. Like, it almost feels like it picks up a lot quicker. God damn, I'm actually impressed, guys. I was skeptical, I'm not gonna lie. I was very skeptical at first, but a very inexpensive mod that actually makes a nice driving difference. And as most of you guys know, for me anyways, I love doing mods that actually enhance your driving experience, and a lot of things like, you know, steering wheels and first point to touch. Oh, that was a cop. Turn right here, right? Especially a lot of things where, like, you know, your touch steering wheel shift knobs, and your foot pedal, obviously. These are little things that make a really good difference in everyday driving. Like, this is still Sport Mode 9. Yeah. Yes. Wow. And now just a low 4th gear pull. And that, what? Oh, see, I gotta get used to that a bit. You probably saw that in camera too. I over revved it, and that just shows you that this is actually working, because my rev matching is actually pretty good from the OEM stature. But yep, it honestly makes a good difference. Yeah, like I'm impressed. This is so cool.
Sprint Booster is the #1 and original throttle control module on the market. It's trusted by over 2 million users worldwide, so you know you're getting the good stuff. If you enjoyed what you saw here, give us a like and let us know down in the comments what other machines you want us to install the Sprint Booster on. Thanks everybody, have a great day. Bye now.